Hi everyone, it's Alice here. So today I would like to introduce you another small fitness tool. This is called peanut. So this looks like a peanut shape, right? It's formed by two sides, have a bigger area or a ball shape, and the middle is more narrow. It is for massaging your head, neck, back, your lower back area. Let me show you how to use it. So we start off placing back of the head and then lie on the mat. And then we're just moving our head. Chin tilt up, chin down, up and down, up and down. Very simple, right? So now we slowly take it up and slowly move it at the low part of the head. So same thing, up and down, or you turn your head to your right, to left and right, left and right. Okay, so now place it at the bottom of the neck area. Then now this time, palm facing down, or palm facing up. And then I want you to turn your head left and right, left and right. If you want more stretching, maybe you want to draw your knee a bit closer to your body, or you can both legs together closer to your chest. See it give you more stretching. Okay, now release. Let's move this thingy to the upper back, right here, somewhere right here. So, lie on the back again. Tighten your chin. And then this time, extend both legs. Does it give you more stretching, or bending you need more stretching? And then I want you, extend one leg and then draw one knee to your chest. Or extend the one leg to the ceiling. See which one gives you a little bit more pressure to the peanut. And then we alternate. If you are okay with this, what you can do is draw both knees to your chest, tighten your chin, and you can move your arms, placing it way above your head, down, keep moving. Whatever I just said here is optional. This gives me more intense massage for my upper back. Okay, release. So now, place it in a bit lower, maybe 2-3 inches lower, right here, and lie on the back again. Make sure the wider part of the peanut is on both sides of the spine, not right on the spine. Okay? Same thing, same idea. You can draw one knee to your chest, or extend the leg, or you can do at the same time whatever you want, or intensity you want. The more weight to the center of body, the more pressure you will get from the peanuts. As you put in more weight here, your body will press down more on the peanuts. Or you can place both hands on the upper side of the chest, and then you turn gently, side to side. Or you place both feet on the mat and let the knee guide you. Drop the knee to one side, keep the back on the pivot, and drop the knee to your side. Okay, let's get up. Then let's move this to the mid back. Right here. Then same idea, draw your knees to your chest. Oh, this is a good one. This is my mid back. I have more tight in my mid back. You can hold here, or you can placing both hands on the in front of the shoulders, and drop both knees side to side. Okay. So we should keep the pivots at each spot around 20 counts before move to the leg spot. Okay, let's get up. Let's move this to lower back right here. So, same idea. I prefer draw the knees more to the mid, to my upper body. Then I can move side to side, holding my both knees. Whenever using this kind of tool, like this pivot, you gotta use it on a firm surface. Okay. Okay, now the last point. It is like your tailbone area. Place it on top of tailbone right here. You see it? Then we sit on it, lie on the mat. Extend both legs, palm facing up, and then feel it. You massage the muscle that you sit on a chair. You relieve those muscles. If it's too much, you bend one knee or both knees. If okay, extend both legs, give it more pressure on the hip area, pressing down the peanuts. Tighten your tummy, palm facing up. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you get it from the link, this peanut from the link in the descriptions. See you guys next time.